Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video we will learn probability basic for AI, which will be the most foundation for machine learning and generative AI. In this video you will see that probability helps prediction under uncertainty in AI system, and don't worry, we will keep everything beginner friendly, and I will use a PPT throughout this video so that you can understand how AI system and probability connect to each other. Let's begin. So this is the PPT. So you will see that is math foundation for AI, probability basic for AI engineer. So first let's say why probability matter in AI, because if you see that AI model make probability prediction, it is not known that it is 100% certain that this prediction is correct or incorrect, right? So they have some probability in it. So that's why in this case we see that probability measure the uncertainty, and that's why modern AI heavily depend on probability itself. So what is probability? Basically, if I go to any slide also, you will understand probability is nothing else by likelihood of an event. So what happened if I say, let's say a coin toss, in it let's say head and tail, so that will be what happened, that if I say probability of head happen, that is nothing else by 1/2, because probability of two event that can happen, that is head and tail, and one event happening, that is 1/2. That's why it's 0.5, right? So if you see that probability of a 0 means what, that it is an impossible event, that it will not occur itself, and probability of 1, that means it is probability that is 1, that means it is certain that is happening. If I somewhere say of a definition of probability, that is favorable outcome by total outcome. So AI so if I somewhere let's say that is probability, so it is nothing else by its concern. Give some example, you will understand better. Let's say that is a dice that is rolling there. So if I say probability of 1 happening in it, that is 1/6, right? So let's see that. I will come to all of it, what is there and why it is not happening. Let's see. Yeah, you see that is with one requirement, that is event of all possible in the event 146 of the value of this one. So probability of A, probability of risks, that is P by P plus Q. In case of, you can see that is different. Okay, let's say a definition. So it is a measure of the likelihood that event occur in this, and so definition, the ratio of favorable outcome to the total number of possible outcome. So it ranges from 0 to 1, and I say that is rolling of a die, that is 1/6, and coin toss, that is 1/2. So that I say before. So let's see that is random variable. Why it is so important? Because if you see in computer science that it's represent random variable itself represent uncertain outcome itself, right? If I somewhere say, let's say that is an example of it, let's say that is a mass, right? A random event happening, I am taking x that is equal to what, that is nothing else by the mass, random mass of random some I'm taking a mass of random animal in a zoo, right? And if I say that is mass, then that is not certain itself. Let's say that is 100.0162 some 3, that is kilogram. Then it is somewhere what, that is a continuous variable, because I don't know what is the infinite possibilities is there, and it is in the range of it, right? And if I say discrete, then if I say, let's say that is x that equal to 0, then it is head, and 1 that equal to if it is tail. So this is a finite outcome, that's why it is discrete variable. So in the case of computer science also, how if we say that is all AI system itself is nothing else by mathematics. So you will see it's represent everything in a random variable, the uncertain outcome itself. So it has discrete variable, or it has some continuous variable itself. So let's see the next slide itself. Let's say that is probability rule. As I said before, that is it lies between 0 to 1. If I say complement itself, that is probability of A complement, that is 1 by, that mean what, that is probability that is A is not happening, that mean 1 minus probability of A, and then additional rule or use in uncertain exclamation. So that I say that if I somewhere say, let's say that probability, that formula itself. So you can see that, yeah, so let's see that formula should be there in Wikipedia. Yeah, so let's say that is probability of A and B, that means intersection itself. Then if they are independent, then we can see that joint probability itself, probability of A into probability of B. So if I say, let's say that is 2 coin flip there, so the chance of being head is nothing else but 1 by 4, because half cross half itself, right? And if I say mutually exclusive, then both are, as they have this one, so then that is not mutually exclusive, they are both mutually exclusive, that means they are disjoint event. If they are disjoint event, then it is obviously 0. You see that in intersection they have nothing, right? If in this case you see that they are independent itself, and then joint probability you can find this one, right? They are independent, right? And if I somewhere say, let's say there are two events A and B are mutually exclusive, then the probability of either this denoted by this and that one, right? Probability of A union B, that is what, that is probability of A plus B minus probability of A intersection B. And then if I somewhere calculate those, then we can see 1 by 3 something. And if I say this all technique, you can see, right, why I am talking about. I will come to this conditional probability as it is very important in AI system. Let's see that in a slide also itself. So let's say that conditional probability, that I say before as well. Why it is so important? Because if I say an LLM itself, it's try to predict the next word itself. It is not knowing that, okay, that is, it's very certain that it will happen. Like what do we know, that it is sunny tomorrow, right? Or you can say it is a sunny day itself, right? I am saying two words there, right? So there is also probability that is LLM is taking behind itself to say that day itself has some probability. Let's say that is 90% chance itself, or tomorrow itself has a 10% chance. So you can see that LLM itself understand by its conditional itself, by looking at before what are the words it has, right? It has many techniques. So I am saying why this is probability there. So you can see that probability of A happening when B has happened, then this is nothing as probability of A intersection B by probability of B. So if I again say that both are, let's say that is independent in case, then you can say that is 0, right? As you can say that is if probability of B is 0 and it is undefined by this, in this case our independence is this one, then it's 0 because this is 0, right? So you can see that itself LLM takes it very importantly. And you can see the next slide itself, that is nothing else by what, that Bayes theorem. That is also very important because it is used, its main idea that is being used in naive Bayes classifier, where you can see that spam filtering, that your email or Gmail is using to detect that is a spam or that is not a spam, that is being detected by itself by this theorem itself, right? So if I somewhere say probability of A that happening when B has happened, that equal to probability of B that happened when A has happened into probability of A by probability of B. So that update belief using evidence foundation of Bayesian AI using spam filtering. And I will see the next slide, that is being on naive Bayes classifier, and that is very, it has some assumption itself that it's saying that features are independent and it is very much fast and simple, and that is mostly used in NLP and spam detection. So let's see what is naive Bayes that I am talking about. So you can see that it is slightly the same as itself the Bayes, but it is not you can see what that it is. I'm saying that same itself, that is a Bayes theorem, right? But after that, what is happening, that it has some chain rule itself, right? And you will see that okay, let's see that where it is. I am saying the formula. Yeah, so this is the formula, probability of y that happen when x1 dot 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 xn, because you look at that itself like what, that itself, let's say that word itself, right? In NLP itself what, right? So if I look at, let's say that is I have breakfast and y, that is, let's say the tomorrow or something like that, right? So what should be the probability itself? I can count like this, right? Probability of y into, let's say that is product of probability of xi given y by probability of x1 dot 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 xn, and that is very simple to prove itself, because if I somewhere let's say that Wikipedia itself, I think it has a proof. So let's see. So you see that that is nothing else by this, right? Probability of c, this one, and yeah, probability of ck given this one, that equal to probability of ck into this and by z that is this one, right? And you can see that nothing else by ck given this one, that proportional to this one, and you can see that this is nothing else by expressed in a chain rule itself, and I'm producting this one. So that is very clear, and that's why it is used in a NLP and spam detection. It can say that it is a spam or it is not a spam. So probability distribution in it, it is used in a data modeling, and it's quite like you have probability distribution of many, right? When we have a statistics course we are going to discuss, then we also see that many times we can see bell curve shape normal distribution is I am talking about. So what is it? Let's see that. So normal distribution itself, it has I am talking about this mean median mode, that equal to same equal, and this is a probability density, and let's say that is standard normal distribution, that is standard, right? And shape of the normal distribution, you can see that is nothing else by bell shape, right? And this is obviously mu, and this is mu minus sigma, mu plus sigma, it has all of it, right? And that is symmetric bell shape probability distribution, and that is actually the main important thing that is used mostly in AI. And Bernoulli and binomial distributions are also there. You can see their formula itself. I can also show you the formula of normal distribution. That's very simple. That is nothing else by 1 by root over of 2 pi sigma square into e to the power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square. And you can see that it has probability density like this one. It is symmetric, but it has also same right center or left center. It's sorry, it is right and it is left. So it has itself, right? So yeah, so let's see that if I somewhere show you that right skew, left skew, that is the point I am talking about. So this is right skew, right? It has right skew, right, and it is left skew, because if you look at this one, the right side has itself has a long edge, and left side, if you see left skew, has long edge, right? So that's the talking about. And zero skew is nothing else by, that is the normal symmetric that I'm talking about. You can also say that it is negative skew and it is positive skew, right? And let's see the next one, that is that Bernoulli or binomial. So let's say, and it's a simple thing. Binomial distribution itself is that nck probability p to the power k into q to the power n minus k. So p, that is probability that is happening, q, that is alternative that happening, and it has PMF that equal to this one. And Bernoulli is also quietly one event happening of that, so that is P into 1 minus P, right? And let's see that also. Let's say where it is. Yeah, so yeah, P to the power x into 1 minus P into 1 minus x. Yeah, so expectation of x, that is P, and variance of this one. Yeah, so let's say the next case that is used in data modeling, where model itself, then it is very useful. And let's see that bell shape shark, I say that defined by mu, that is mean, and sigma, that is standard deviation, and many statistics approximate data set approximately follow it. Important in ML assumption itself, machine learning assumption, when we are going to teach, then we will see that normal distribution mainly it has assumption itself that it is a normal distribution. And confidence score is basically what, that if I somewhere say, let's say that I'm talking about before as well, in a object detection or in a classical problem, what happened that if I somewhere give a dog and cat image and I train on it, and then I show him a dog image, it will say it with a confidence level itself, right? Confidence score itself, not like that it is 100% certain that it is even that is a dog, but it will somewhere say, let's say that 0.95 is a confidence that it is a dog. So that is a higher probability, means stronger belief that it is a dog itself, right? So that mainly used in object detection. And let's say LLM token probability. So LLM itself would predict the next token probability. So what is this is a little bit important, because when we are talking about logic itself is what, that it's mean that it has some values itself, but that is not correct proper, right? That means it has some neural network values, but Softmax, when it's come to Softmax, it's convert those score and neural networks logic score into the probability, right? If I somewhere, let's see, show you that Softmax, so we'll see why it is going to be 0, 1, because it has a formula like it, that e to the power zi by sum over z equal to 1 to k into e to the power zj. That's why it is always lies between 0 to 1, and its sum over it is always 1. So that's why it's convert the values into 1 itself, convert the value into 0 to 1 probability itself. And why its temperature is so much important in LLM itself, because temperature means what is the randomness itself. If I say, let's say 0, then it is very static, means it will not go beyond any scope of randomness itself, or creative information will not be there. If I say, let's say that temperature equal to 1, then you look at that and features, let's say it is some creative answer I am getting, and that's why LLM token probability is very important. And that is also, temperature is also very much important. And you can see that logic into probability using neural network critically in LLM. So uncertainty in AI, so AI models are not perfectly certain, probability estimate uncertainty. So why it is important? Because it is very critical in healthcare, finance, or you can say now in every department AI is being used, and also knowingly or unknowingly we are actually using probability, and that's prevent also overconfident that prediction itself. Now how probability powers AI, that whatever I talk about before, that is all being summarized. The naive base use probability directly, LLM predict the token probability, confidence score guide the decision, and probability power intelligent prediction. And key takeaway that probability help AI reason under uncertainty. It is a probabilistic prediction, it is not a magic anymore, and LLM rely on probability. So in the next lecture we will come to learn statistics for machine learning. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to this and like, comment, and share to your friends. Thank you so much.